Hey guys, happy Friday. So I'm sitting in the Walgreens parking lot waiting for one of my clients. I'm gonna sell some tea, right? Probably make a $75, maybe $100 right now. But here's what we didn't learn in school, guys. Here is what we didn't learn in school, guys, is how to have multiple income streams. We were not taught how to have multiple income streams. This is why so many people across the world are 55, 65, 75 with one income. But here's the lovely thing, guys. Adding another income stream, guys, is very simple. Okay? Adding another income stream, guys, is very simple. It just depends on how serious you are, in having multiple income streams. And here's why we didn't learn that, guys, because we were taught by governments. The governments who want to just keep our mind, right, on a one track and not expand and explore, right? Now, the elite, their children learned multiple income streams. The elite, they learned multiple income streams, but the middle class and poor never learned income streams, right? So when I say elite, I mean the people that control. You can have millions of dollars, but you're not the elite, okay? I'm talking about the people who makes decisions for the world, okay? Those are the elite people that makes decisions. It's only a real tiny small bit of those people, okay? Now, having multiple streams, guys, leads to financial independence, right? I'm a witness of this, right? Like I said, right now, right, I just got here. 5 minutes, waiting for my client. She's coming now on her way to work, right? I'm going to sit here 5-10 minutes and make $100 on a Friday, right? How many people got to go to actual work to work for the $100? And I'm 10 minutes and make $100, right? So here's what it is, guys, right? I always say this. You have your job. That's great. Keep your job. Have your job, right? But if your job is your only source, guys, that is the problem. See, the elite taught their children that you need 7 income streams. You need 7 flows of income. You need income coming in. You need active income. You need passive income. You need leverage income. The elite taught their children this stuff. The elite knows this stuff. Everybody else just depends on the education of what the government or the elites are giving to the people to keep them down. So when you understand this, guys, okay, you will break through brick walls to start you a business. You will break through brick walls, guys, to get to your passive and your leverage income. You will literally break through brick walls to invest in yourself. You will break through brick walls, guys, to literally help your children. Okay? You cannot help your children, guys, get passive residual leverage income if you don't know. Right? Even I told my daughter, she went on a job interview yesterday, which I'm proud of her. And I told her, and she said they asked her a question. What's her aspirations? And she said, you know what? I want to be, financially independent. I want to be a voice for women, and I want to be a successful, bakery chef. And I said, great. I'm glad she said that, right? But she wouldn't have said nothing about financial independence if she's not hearing me talk about it and doing it all the time. If my daughter only saw me go to a job and then she went to a job interview, she would know nothing about financial independence. Most people that have a job don't know nothing about financial independence. They only know about financial struggle. Right? And this is what the governments and the schools want us, and the elite want us to know about financial struggle. They don't want us to believe that financial independence is, in reach, guys. And I'm here to tell you it is. You don't have to believe me. A young black girl, from the hood, whatever you want to say, okay? You don't have to believe me. But guess what, guys? I haven't had a job in 6 years. I paid off student loans. I paid off credit cards. I paid off all this shit from my multiple streams of income. Money I made last year, I'm paying my mortgage with this year, right? I'm not, see, the problem is if your money that you're making this month is paying this month's bills, you're already behind, right? So if I made money in November or October, now I'm paying my mortgage this month. So I'm always going to be ahead. That's what I'm getting at. I'm always going to be ahead. The money that you make this month is paying this month bills, guys. You are behind. This is why I talk about setting yourself up. See, we never learned that. The schools never taught us that. Only the elite knows this stuff, guys. Only the elite knows this stuff. Okay? Setting yourself up financially, guys. Setting yourself up emotionally, because when you don't have enough money, guys, you start to feel depressed. You start to feel empty. You start to feel vulnerable. You start to feel like you're not in control. Right. So having that multiple streams, okay, guys, is what's going to help you expand, open up your mind, have some control, think better of yourself, less stress, less depression. I know millionaires who only have one income stream. I know people that make millions that have one income stream, right? And they're stressed. You may say, well, damn, how are you stressed? Because, guys, you have to diversify yourself. The elite knows this. Okay, they know they have to diversify themselves. They know they need real estate. They know they need a business. They know they need gold and silver. They know they need bitcoins. They know they need, cash. They know they need stocks and bonds, guys. Not just one income. And when I say one income, not just you're getting cash. Okay, income, all right? A business, right? Cryptocurrencies. Elite are buying cryptocurrencies. And they're not buying it to flip it and join the ICOs to flip it. They're buying it to hold it because the fiat dollar will crash. Okay? So get you some real estate, guys. Right? Me and my husband, we're building our real estate portfolio. All right? Get you some gold and silver. Right? I don't have gold. Right? I need to get some. Okay, get you some cryptocurrencies, guys, and then start you a business part-time. It's not hard to do, guys. It's just that we are so used to this rat race, and the treadmill just keep going faster and faster and faster. We on all this medication, so our medication doesn't allow us to think. It just continue to dumb us down, and then it's like, damn, I'm just on this cycle. It's like subconsciously fucking sleep, right? On this cycle of the rat race, guys. It's like subconsciously we are sleeping, guys, right? So my purpose is to wake people up through video, through my Facebook ads, through my list, guys, through people that I meet, network with, right? So we're on this rat race subconsciously, right? Sleeping. And it's hard to get off of it because every year people are going faster on the rat race. This is why people die on their jobs. They have heart attacks, okay? People kill themselves because they're headed nowhere fast. That is crazy, guys. How you headed nowhere fast? I'd rather be headed somewhere slow. Right. Okay? Headed nowhere fast on the rat race, guys. That's why people kill themselves on their job. This is why people kill their co-workers. People go home and kill their spouses and shit right from work. All you doing, guys, it's like dope. Right? It's like dope. I don't know whoever smoked dope or did dope. But dope, get you running, get you racing, right? And it's like every year it's a new high, right? Every year it's a new high. Now you on freaking, you can't stop. Every year it's a new high, okay? And then now you can't fucking stop. And it's like, oh shit, I can't stop now. I can't stop now. I can't see my kids. I don't have any money. My bills are piling up. Right? My job just, they just cut my hours. Oh shit. But you can't stop because it's subconsciously sleep. Like, oh shit, I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. And then, fuck it. Boom. Kill yourself. Slit your fucking wrist. Because you can't stop. So the only way you feel that you can stop is if you end everything, guys. And this is deep. People kill themselves every fucking day. This is deep, guys. We're on a rat race going nowhere super fucking fast. And every year we're going faster nowhere. See, this is why, guys, I'm glad I got fired from my job. Okay? I am glad. I could cry. Because I am so happy that my job said, Tanisha, we don't like you. We don't like what you're doing or whatever. Thank God for, I forgot the supervisor name. I forgot the lady name. Carol, whatever her name was. Carol something. I forgot her last name. Thank God for Carol, who didn't like me at my job as a social worker. Thank you, Carol. You have changed my life, lady. If you ever watch this video, thank you, lady. You have changed my life for the better. Because now, guys, when I got fired, now I was able to take a step back, right? Because I was on that rat race. Every year I was broke. Every year waiting for its tax time to come. Every single year, you know what I'm saying? Like I couldn't do nothing. Every time I had to tell my daughter she had to wait till I got paid. Living in the basement. So the job firing me made me step back and say, wait, what am I really doing in my life? Where am I really going? I realized my whole time at my job, I wasn't going anywhere. Thank God. Okay, but I also got mentors. Okay, I also sat down and I got mentors. I got people that were around me also too that said, what's the purpose of your life? That's why I tell people start a network marketing business. Network marketing, guys, is not just, even though people say it's a pyramid scheme or whatever, I thank God for network. I could cry. Okay, because most of my mentors come from network marketing businesses. Okay? It's not just about, oh, let's recruit people. Not just trying to get people in products, guys. It's about the growth that one can experience if you take the business seriously. Okay? So thank God for my mentors, Chanel, Aaron, Stormy, my cousin, literally. Okay? That helped me understand I have a purpose. And I need to fulfill this purpose, not a job. And I need multiple income streams to fulfill this purpose. That's why when people call me and say, oh, Tanisha, can I get your Amazon course for free? I don't have 500. You're playing too many games, guys. Nothing is free. The people that want everything for free, guys, are the people who are going nowhere fast. Every year, you're on hyperspeed. Hyperspeed the next year. Hyperspeed. And then it's like, damn, I can't stop. Now, when you're in hyperspeed, now you're in $20,000 in debt. $40,000 in debt, $100,000 in debt. Now you can't pay it because you're in hyperspeed and you didn't take a step back. You didn't take 10 steps back, look over your life and say, what changes do I need to make? See, people don't believe in mentorship. People don't believe in getting coaches to help them. I paid a lady $3,000 to sit down with her for 5 hours. Literally, that's all we did, 5 hours. And she literally changed my life. And she said, today is the day that you live your life. Right? On purpose, right? Today is the day that you're going to change other people's lives. Today is the day, right? That you're going to step into your greatness, right? Today is the day. This is what she told me. Okay? Thank God for her, Tiana, right? Tiana also, she was one of my mentors, right? Today is the day that you start, okay? Living life on purpose. Today is the day that you're going to attract the right people into your business. Today is the day that you're going to help others change their life. It's hard changing your mindset, guys, but it can be done if you're doing it daily. If you follow me on Snapchat, I'm always reading. I'm always watching, real news, stuff that's really happening in the economy, okay? I love to go to events that is uplifting. Right, I got a lineup of events that I'm going to, women events, okay, that I'm going to, so I can be empowered. Okay, so I can be empowered, friends. Okay? This is what we didn't learn in school. How to empower ourselves, how to be financially independent, and how to uplift ourselves, guys. We were not taught these things. And how to live life on purpose. We were not taught these things. We were taught to go to school. After you come from school, do your homework. After school's over, okay? Now you go get a job, right? You go to work every day. Right? You come home, you do that for 40 years, and then you retire, and then the government's going to take care of you. That's the dream that we were sold. The middle class and poor was sold this dream, right? The middle class and poor was sold, if you make under $1 million a year, the middle class and poor, that's middle class now. I think it's 1.5 million now. It's like the middle class, and anything under 1.5 million. We're considered like middle class and poor. Okay, the way hyperinflation is ridiculous. A hole in the wall costs $1 million now. It's like stupid. Okay, so we gotta understand, guys. You know, at the end of the day, right? We were not taught this stuff, right? All we were taught is just to go to school, then work for somebody, and depend on the government to take care of us. And then our children do the same thing. And then the grandchildren do the same thing. Then our great-grand do the same thing. Who breaks the cycle? See, I'm breaking the cycle, right? It stops with me. My kids are going to understand multiple streams of income. My kids are going to understand that they control their financial future. They're going to understand that they control their environment. They're going to understand that they have to make things happen. They have to understand that they're going to have a purpose in life. These are the things I did not learn, guys, until I was like 26, 27. But really didn't understand it until I got about maybe 30. Okay? So now I have the advantage, right? And I have rich friends that I can call, text, talk to, go be around. Okay? I didn't have that. Right? Now my kids have the advantage to now get the knowledge that my brain at 34 has. They can get it at 16 and 8. I want my kids to be further ahead. That's what the elite does. They want their children to be further ahead. They want their children to be 5-10 steps ahead of them. And that's how the wealth continues. Now their grandchildren are 15 steps ahead of them. Their great-grands is 20 steps ahead of them. Right? But the middle class and poor, our children are 10 steps behind us. Our great-grandchildren are 20 steps behind us. Our great-grands is 40 steps behind us. Sometimes, guys, I want to cry. For real. Because I'm like, God, you know, this world is so messed up. It's too many people struggling out here. It's too many people not having enough. It's too many people not working. It's too many people not rocking. You know, it's just too many people, guys, in the world that are suffering, right? And it doesn't have to be this way, guys. But like I said, guys, I can't help everybody. Oh, hey! Oh, shit. Wait, my client. Hey! Yeah, guys, so it doesn't have to be this way, guys. I'm about to meet with my client, but it doesn't have to be this way, guys, okay? Learn something new so you can do something new, so you can get something different. Life is here for us to take, guys, but we got to take it. Life is here for us to live, but we got to live it. Life is abundant, but we got to be in abundance. Prosperity. Helping others. How many of us want to help another? Right? That's my goal every day, to help at least 10 people open up their mind to understand that we have control of our life. Love you guys. Workwithtanisha.com.